Write a congruence statement for any figures that can be proved congruent. So first look to our graph. We have here two triangles. What we have here? We see that angle A is the same like angle D. So we can write that angle A is congruent to angle D. What else? We have that angle G and E are the same. So we can write that angle G and angle E are congruent. What else? Because these two angles have the same measures like these two angles, so the third angle must be the same too. So will be the same, angle B will be the same like angle C. So we can write that angle C is congruent to angle B. So we have corresponding angles are congruent. Next, let's see two sides. We have that side AG is the same like DE. Why? Because we have these three segments. So it means that side AG is congruent to side DE. What next? We have that AC is the same like BD. So we can write that side AC is congruent to BD. What next? Because segment side EB is divided to two segments, and this EF is the same like GF and FC is the same like FB, we can write that segment CG is congruent to segment BE. So we see that corresponding sides are congruent too. So because all corresponding sides and angles are congruent, we can write that triangle ACG is congruent to triangle, and we see because A was congruent to D, so first will be D. C is congruent to B, so we have B, and we have that G is congruent to E. So we have that triangle ACG is congruent to triangle DBE. This is my solution.